So we're going to look at how to do a discount on an invoice. So I'm going to go again, I'm going to navigate to my sales, and then I'm going to go to invoices. So for this purpose, I'm just going to create a new invoice, and then we can work through how to do the discount. So I'm going to go new invoice. I'm going to do it for somebody that's actually not a contact. So let's just see, type to create new contact. So we can actually just type in to create the new contact. So let's just go TPC, and I'm going to create as new contact. And then you can see it's asking me for all of the information that I need to put in. So I'm going to put in admin at tpcsa.co.za. And then I've got to put in a delivery address. So for now, I'm just going to put in like a, I don't know, 100 West Street. Okay. Okay, I'm just choosing that. And I'm going to say use the same as the billing address. And then you'll see, so now my customer is set up. Okay, and I'm going to click on save. Okay, so it's obviously again defaulting to today's date. And then, so I can actually change this. So say I just want to issue this maybe tomorrow, and then I want to make this due date the 5th. So here I am going to, let's again keep it as training. And say I wanted to invoice the customer. So I'm keeping the quantity as 1, and I want to invoice them 10,000 Rand, but I want to give them a discount. So Xero also has nice features where it's sort of like it's sort of like Excel. So if I want to discount them, say by 1,000 Rand. So if I just typed in 1,000, you see it changed my price from 1,000 from 10,000 to 9,000 Rand. Or if I wanted to do a discount of 10%. So if I say 10 and 10% and I click enter, so actually let's make it a different one so you can actually see. So you can see if I put in 20% as a discount, it then worked out that I'm discounting them by 20%. So the invoice now changes to 8,000, and it actually includes at the bottom, includes a discount. So this is nice where you are discounting somebody, but you want to be able to show them that they've received the discount. Okay, and then you would still choose your project. So I'm going to go project C. And I'm going to now on my side just click approve because that email address, I don't want it to go through to that. So that's how you would do a discount on an invoice.